Good morning, students. Today's date is 23rd of December. I'm going to teach you science. Now, I'm going to ask you a few questions. If you know the answer, please raise your hand and answer in complete statement. Where do you go to study? Yes, you go to school to study. What do you do when you feel thirsty in school? Yes, when you feel thirsty in school, you drink water. From where do you drink water in your school? Yes, you drink water from the water bottle or the taps that are there in the school. What is water bottle made up of? Yes, the water bottle is made up of plastic. What is plastic? So, students, today we shall study about plastics. Give one example of synthetic fiber. Yes, one example of synthetic fiber is nylon. What is plastic? Okay. Plastics is also like the synthetic fiber. All plastics do not have the same type of arrangement units. In some it is linear, whereas in some it is cross-linked. Plastic articles are available in all possible shapes and sizes. The fact is that plastic is easily moldable. That is, can be shaped in any form. Plastic can be recycled, reused, colored, melted, rolled into sheets or made into wires. Okay. Name a polymer like synthetic fiber. Yes. Plastic is a polymer which is like synthetic fiber. What are the types of plastics? Yes. Okay. Plastics which get deformed easily on heating and can be bent easily are known as thermoplastics. Polythene and PVC are some examples of thermoplastics. There are some plastics which, when molded once, cannot be softened by heating. These are thermosetting plastics. Two examples are bakelite and melamine. Bakelite is used for making electrical switches, handles, etc. How many types of plastics are there? Yes, there are two types of plastics. List some properties of plastic. Yes. Plastic is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. Plastic do not react with air and water and with many of the chemicals. Plastics are lightweight, durable, cheap and very strong. Plastics are non-biodegradable substances. It takes many years to get decomposed and sometimes to not get decomposed as well. Thus, plastic is not environment friendly at all. Plastic does not rest. Plastic is non-reactive and plastics are poor conductor of heat and electricity. That is why they are used to make electrical wires or that is why the electrical wires have plastic coverings and the handles of screwdrivers are made up of plastics. Why does electrical wire have plastic covering? Yes, electrical wire have plastic covering because they are poor conductor of electricity. What are the harmful effects of plastics on environment? Oh, plastic takes several years to decompose. It is not environment friendly. It causes environmental pollution. Besides, the burning process in the synthetic material is quite slow and it does not get completely burnt. In this process, it releases a lot of poisonous fumes into the atmosphere, causing air pollution. Now, I'm going to ask you a few questions based on whatever we have studied so far. If you know the answer, please raise your hand and answer in complete statement. What type of arrangement does plastic have? Yes, plastics have linear and cross-linked arrangement. Name the types of plastics. Thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics are the types of plastics. Name one example of thermosetting plastics. Electrical switches is an example of thermosetting plastics. Name any one property of plastics. Yes, any one property of plastic is that they are not reactive. Burning of plastic causes which type of pollution? Yes, burning of plastic causes air pollution. Fill in the blanks. Plastics can be easily. Yes, plastics can be easily molded. Polythene is an example of. Yes, polythene is an example of thermoplastics. Dash is used for making switches. Yes, Bakelite is used for making switches. Plastics are generally cheaper than. Yes, plastics are generally cheaper than metals. Plastics do not react with dash and dash. Yes, plastics do not react with water and air. Okay, students, note down the today's homework. Write 10 lines on property of plastics. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you, class.